The Chicago.
Tried calling y'all by name, but shit, it wasn't
What you say about me?
nothing, man. Just talking shit.
You my name. In the street? My name is my name.
YouTube, back out here, man. I don't know if y'all seen a little short, that video I did about this boat. But Hercules, man, he had to put on his turn is slow. Like, but breaker bar is slow. You know what I'm saying? Like, see, I got it on the breaker bar. I had to go buy this set. Like I said, I be buying tools as needed. I needed the E16 to get it out, or to start trying to get it out. I think of what's this, because I know this fit, whatever it is. Half inch. I think that's what I was using at first. It fit on that. Matter of fact, is it the half inch or 10 millimeter fits on that? I think. Don't give me the line. Anyway, seats in, the covers. This one been here. That one is in. So, about to go on and get to it, hopefully. Got the back done. I'll show y'all in better light. This phone just don't be having no good light, man. It's a new ass phone. Still ain't fixed that yet, just sitting right there. So yeah, let me go and get to it. Then I gotta wire these lights. I got it for over there, and the cover for both of them sides. So it's time to start cleaning it up. Then I gotta go ahead and get my Dremel and put my plates down. I'm waiting on my back plates to come in, actually. So let's do that. And we're about to change up these sounds in a minute. So yeah, I don't know if y'all can see. Clean. If I'm taking these out, I gotta take these out. I sprayed this a little bit because I only had a little paint left. Yeah, you see, I always be watching, man. My camera's on my shit. Like I said, who the fuck is this? Pull it up. What the fuck is that? Whoever it is, they don't even know I'm in here. But, alright, let me get back on my thing and grab my thing so I can find out who this is. Alright, YouTube, I got the bottom off of the passenger side. It's really, you just unplugging all the plugs and them two 13 millimeter bolts and just sliding it up, and then the seat belt, unlatch the seat belt. But I'm still fighting with this motherfucker here. That motherfucker, it's turning, but it'll give me like a half a turn, slip, half a turn. So I'm gonna take a break from that. I'm gonna finish this seat on out, then come back to this one. So stay tuned, man, stay tuned. We're getting this interior together now. Alright, be right back with y'all, man. Alright, YouTube, got the old pad off. Y'all can see, it just unfolds off of it. And this is Velcro. This is your heated part right here. Got it over there along with the new one. So I'm gonna start in the middle and then work my way around, pushing it down, and then I'm gonna start, folding it. So let me go and get to it, man. Let Team Schaefer do this thing. Alright, YouTube, I wanted to show y'all this. Let's see, well, this, you gotta roll this plastic back onto the metal. When you do it, man, be careful because it's sharp. I ain't cut myself, I'm just pre-warning other folks, so we we getting it there. Just got to do this, and then we got some straps we got to pull up, pull around, and we got to pull this one right here. And we got to do some cutting, because I think they sent me the wrong one, actually, but I'm still going to make it work regardless. I ain't even sending it back. I ain't even mad at them. Fuck it. But, and ain't nobody going to see the cut anyway. The cut I'm talking about. If I ain't tell y'all, y'all wouldn't even know. So, let me go and get to it so I can go ahead and wrestle with the other goddamn boat, man. But, like I said, it's coming out regardless. Ain't got no other choice. Let me go ahead and finish this up so I can go on and get back to it. Alright. Alright, YouTube. We got it on there. We got some wrinkles in it from being in the package it came in. They're straightened out though. We got it all on there. Just gotta put the motors and stuff. I mean the switches and stuff back on. And that one done. So I'll let y'all on part 2. Yeah.